We're going to be renaming these fractions as percents. One of the key pieces of knowledge that you're supposed to know is that percent means per 100 or out of 100. It's kind of important and kind of handy, especially when we look, for example, at the very first one here, 12 over 10. It needs to be out of 100. So let's multiply the 10 by 10 to make 100. And whatever I do to the denominator, I've got to do to the numerator. So 12 times 10, just put a 0 on the end as well because it's 120. Now it's out of 100. And so 120 is the percent because it's out of 100. This one here, 4 divided by 1,000. Well, that's not out of 100. It's out of 1,000. I don't need it to be out of 1,000. It needs to be out of 100. So I divide 1,000 by 10. And what I'm doing essentially there is I'm moving the decimal point one space back to make 100. Okay, 100.0 if you like. Whatever I do to the top, I've got to do, so the bottom, sorry, I've got to do to the top. Decimal point is here in the number 4. I've got to move it back one space. So it's 0.4. So if I just rewrite that, it'll be 0.4 over 100. And so 0.4 becomes the percent, just like that. This one here, 9 over 10, so 10, I need it out of 100, so multiply by 10 with the numerator, and so 90% is the percentage. This one here, it's out of 100, great. That means 165% is the answer. All done.